Hello! So we are going to do a practice run of getting on Canvas for tomorrow and on Friday. Anything you do does not necessarily have to be turned in, and I'm not going to count it for points or anything. It's just all about navigating and practicing and making sure the technology works. If for some reason something doesn't work, please make sure you let your family know, and they can contact me through Class Dojo or email, and we will get it taken care of so that everything is working for you. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to go to our Canvas app, and I'm going to use my pointer. It's the little app over here, and we're going to touch, and if you've already logged into it, it should take you straight into your Canvas page, and you should see all your classes or your courses over here. Right over here. Now mine's going to look different than yours because I have a lot more classes than you do. But like I've been telling you, if I met you this week so far, you're going to find the course or the choice with the penguin that's wearing the glasses, because Dr. Stover always wears her glasses. And then you're just going to touch. And then, let me make my screen bigger. You're going to come to this page. Now, if you met with me so far, I showed you a little bit different, but I actually went ahead and made this a lot easier for us to start. And so I apologize if it's a little different than what I've already showed you, but it will be a lot easier. So in order to get to our penguin work, excuse me, so sorry. What we have to do today is we're going to click on the penguin emoji or the words penguin work. We're going to touch, and it's going to take us to our Thursday and Friday practice. Now, if you look over here, we have the thinking emoji, which is standing for Thinking Thursday. And our first assignment is a zone check-in. If you remember your zones from kindergarten, our red zone, our yellow zone, our green, and our blue, we're going to go here and we're going to click that. And then it's going to take us to another clickable picture. In Dr. Stover's course, Canvas course, when you see a picture, if you click it, it will take you somewhere. So I'm going to click, and it's going to take me to some questions. And the first question right here says, how are you feeling? And so I'm going to touch down here, and I'm going to put my name. Now my first name happens to be Tabitha, so I'm going to type that in. Then I'm going to go down to my second question. Which zone are you in? And so let's see. Let's see. I'm feeling kind of yellow, actually, because I'm kind of excited and I'm a little bit worried. And honestly, I'm a little bit frustrated with all this technology stuff that hasn't been working and that I haven't got to see you in my classroom. So I'm a little frustrated today. And then the third and last question is, do you want to check in with me? That means if you're feeling like you need to talk to me about something, you can click yes. Or if you don't, you just click no. And I don't need to check in with myself, so I'm going to click no. And then I just click the submit button down here. And that's all I do. Now, I need to get out of here. So I'm just going to click my home button, and it will take me back. And then if I do a double click on my home button, I can get back to my Canvas page. And then I can scroll down, and then over here in the corner, there's a next button. And all I have to do is click that button. It's going to take me to my next job. Now, Literacy Exploration is the title of this. And it's going to be the same for every module you do during hybrid or e-learning. And it's going to have a book next to it, so that you know you're going to be doing some reading or writing or both. Okay, now, there's Dr. Stover. It paused me in a really weird look, but that's okay. Okay, so this right here that I'm kind of moving my pointer around is a video, and there's that play button. All you have to do is click play, and it will play for you, and I'm going to be reading you a story and talking to you a little bit. And then our next job is we're going to listen to this very amazing story about Pigeon, who's one of my favorite characters ever. And then down at the bottom, I'm telling you that little picture, and actually it's not clickable. But it gives you an indication that you need to go out to your Epic app. And what I've asked you to do in this assignment today is to practice and explore Epic. Okay, and so when I've done that, I can come back into Canvas and I can click this next button again. And then if you look up here, this is our phonics or our rocket ship. And so I'm going to listen to a story. Here's my story here. And then I'm going to come down, and there I am again. And I'm going to be showing you how to move into Lake Lilu. And a lot of you I've already met with, and I've gotten to show you live action and in person. But there's a video just in case you forget. And then if you move on down, there's the Lake Lilu eyeball. And the words click below with some arrows. And then all I have to do is touch. And it's going to take me to the sign in.
Hello. To log in, write the code of your school.
I'm going to enter my code. Now, for many of you, I put that code on your iPad on the inside cover. One of our families, the mom gets a gold star because she totally gave me the idea. It was a brilliant idea. And so some of you, I think there are a couple of you that I did not get that code on, but I will get it to you shortly. But, okay, so here is our code, EUUKMA. And it's going to take us in.
Hello. Click on your classroom to begin.
Then what we're going to do is scroll all the way down. And we're going to look for Dr. Stover 2020. I'm a green bunny at the bottom.
Now click on your name.
And then you find your name. That's all you need to do. Now, when I'm done with that, I'm going to double click on my home button. And if you remember, the home button is that black button that's on your iPad. And I'm just going to double click, click, click. And I'm going to go back into my Canvas page. And then I'm done with this, so I get to click the next button. And it's going to take me to that zone check-in. And I've already did it today, so I don't need to do it again. And that is actually for Friday. It's missing a page here. Oh, dear. Okay, so we're going to stop because we don't need to do Friday's assignment. And what you should see... Oh, let me go back. I'm so sorry. What you should see here is a stop sign, and I'll make sure that gets put in there. Dr. Stover made an oops on that one. But that's basically what we're going to be doing is navigating through, Canvas. So have fun exploring, and I will see you soon.